Sneal Hayes with Farmers Insurance. So, the way this program has been different than other trainings that we've seen is just the way it's laid out step by step. It's just set up. You can't fail if you go through it. We're now 5th in the state in terms of new business sales in the state of Oklahoma. So, I'm ecstatic. I can't say enough good things about it. And as an agency, we were writing, 20 to 30 tops. Great months. And then once we started, it was, 50 to 60, and we ended up averaging over 50 policies a month last year. Now, it's doubled that. I'm looking to double again. We more than doubled, now, and I'm looking to double again. For me, the scripts were second. The first thing that I got out of it was, just basically how to hire the right people. The scripts, I will say, because I had one in place, was amazing when I saw a FedEx truck driver 60 days in, started selling what he was selling. I thought, this is nuts, but, holy cow, I'll take it. Okay. And then expanding on that by hiring the right people, it's been great. What I would tell agents that are on the fence consider enrolling is, you're going to have to find valuable mentors, valuable information, valuable training. People go to college for an education. That costs money, okay? Good training is invaluable, and it's worth the weight in gold. If you're really looking for a way to hire better people, you need to sign up. If you're really looking for a way to get your salespeople to close more deals once you get people on the phone, you need to sign up. It's gonna pay for itself in less than 60 days tops. There's no way that if you use it, that you're not gonna find a way to pay for yourself in 60 days. But I'm here to tell you, it's worth its weight in gold.